Hairmax laser devices are FDA cleared as medical devices, which means they're designed to treat medical conditions, in this case, hair loss. Medical devices require regulatory approval. Hairmax devices had to be scientifically proven to regrow hair. A cosmetic device enhances appearance without actually claiming to impact or treat. There's also no regulatory oversight with these cosmetic devices. They might claim to make the hair look fuller, but not actually treat any hair loss. Hairmax is FDA cleared to treat androgenetic alopecia, the most common cause of hair loss. This is also the same type of hair loss that occurs as you age, worsens with menopause, and often runs in families. I recommend Hairmax low-level laser therapy because it's the only FDA cleared effective treatment that requires no medications and has no harmful side effects. The LaserBand 82 is the fastest hair growth device on the market. You only use it for 90 seconds, 3 times a week. To use it, you turn it on and place it on your head. Each time you feel it vibrate, you slide it backwards. The teeth on this device are an absolute game changer. It parts your hair to allow the laser light energy to actually reach your scalp. You can literally see how much light is reaching the scalp and hair follicles when you use it. Hairmax devices have a 93% success rate in hair regrowth and an average hair count increase of 129 new hairs per square inch.